Welcome back to another video. Today we have a smoking deal on this new rotary hammer. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Big shout out to Stan the Man for pointing this deal out. He's always been helping out the channel. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we got the M18 fuel 18 volt lithium cordless brushless 1-inch SDS plus rotary hammer tool only. I wish I could have a use for this. This deal is so good. It's a $329, limit 3 per order. So this qualifies for the buy more save more. This is a really nice machine right here. You can't go wrong with something like this. So it does qualify for the buy more save more, as we see there. As you guys see, it's a nice piece of equipment there. So we got the back view and the side view there. Anyways, you go to you basically add it to the cart. I already did add it to the cart. And you go to the angle grinder, the Milwaukee angle grinder. And you add also this to the cart. So this is a really nice angle grinder for $179. Make sure you guys add this one. Once you have both of those in the cart, I already have them in the cart, like I said. The angle grinder drops down to 126. That's just a really good deal. From 179 drops down to 126, 30% off. And the rotary hammer SDS Plus drops down to $231 from $329. Save 30% with the buy more save more. So guys, if you guys are planning to, get something like this, buy something like this for your work, for your, for your trade, for the field, make sure you guys pick it up. It's a great deal, really nice deal. I wish I could have a use for this thing. If I'm probably gonna end up buying something like this, buying the angle grinder. But anyways, just want to share this with you guys. This is a smoking deal. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.